You must be familiar with the word stock exchange. The stock exchange is a crucial component of the stock market, but it does not own the stocks. Instead, it is a medium that brings stock sellers and stock buyers to the same platform. In India, there are two major stock exchanges, NSE and BSE, and in this video, we'll talk about them in detail, their similarities and differences, and more. NSE, or the National Stock Exchange of India Limited, is the biggest financial market in India. In 1992, NSE was established as a refined and electronic market, and now it is a fully automated electronic platform. Also, NSE is the world's largest derivative exchange by number of contracts and third largest in cash equities by number of trades. NSE had $5 trillion in total market cap as of May 2024. Currently, NSE is the 7th largest stock exchange in the world, and the main advantages of the NSE are its high liquidity and ease of trading due to its incorporation of the latest technologies. The Nifty 50 index is one of the widely popular offerings of NSE. Incorporated in 1875 as the Native Share and Stockbrokers Association, BSE, or the Bombay Stock Exchange, is India's first and largest securities market. One of the largest exchanges in the world, BSE lists nearly 6,000 companies and is known for its support for developing capital markets in India. BSE is the first stock exchange in Asia and encompasses a platform where small and medium enterprises trade equities on low volume. BSE had a market capitalization of over $5 trillion as of May 2024, making it the biggest stock exchange in India. This was a huge achievement for BSE and the Indian stock market. This can attract more eyes to the equity market of India. Let's have a look at the comparison of both the exchanges. NSE was incorporated in 1992 and BSE was incorporated in 1875. Benchmark index for NSE is Nifty 50 and for BSE it's Sensex. NSE has 2,671 companies listed and BSE has 5,600 companies listed. NSE's products include equity, currency and commodity derivatives, exchange traded funds, mutual funds, security lending and borrowing scheme, corporate bonds, initial public offering IPO, institutional placement program and offer for sale. BSE's products include equity, currency and commodity derivatives, exchange traded funds, mutual funds, corporate bonds, initial public offering IPO and offer for sale. NSE's market cap is $5.1 trillion and BSE's market cap is $5.3 trillion. In terms of liquidity, NSE has high liquidity as compared to BSE, and global rank for NSE is 7th and for BSE it's 6th. For financial year 2024, NSE's revenue is Rs 16,434 crore and BSE's revenue is Rs 1,618 crore. NSE's PAT is Rs 8,406 crore. BSE's PAT is Rs 771.6 crore. NSE's EPS is Rs 167.79 per share pre-bonus and BSE's EPS is Rs 56.66 per share. As we have seen, NSE has more trading volume than BSE. NSE's high liquidity compared to BSE makes it a better choice. Greater liquidity indicates easier trading, ultimately providing several opportunities to convert shares into money. So that was it for today's video, and if you want to learn more, you can head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.